In order to create WinForms application, you must have Visual Studio installed on your computer. Start Visual Studio and select Create a new project. In the next window, you have the opportunity to select an application template. And here we will search for the Windows form. You can scroll down and look for the template. You can even search the template in the search bar, or you can use the filter buttons to filter out some of the templates. For example, I don't want the template from all the platforms. I will simply select the Windows like this, or from the all project types, I will select the desktop. Now you can see most of the templates are filtered out. And right there, we see Windows Forms applications. The application that we need is Windows Forms app. Is the application for .NET Core. Do not select the other one, Windows Form app for .NET Framework. We will select and work with the core application. So select Windows Forms app and click the next button. Now you can name your project. For example, Windows Forms Demo. This is your save location. You can save your application anywhere on your system. And this is the name of the solution. Solution is just like a container or a folder on your hard disk. So we can name our solution like Windows Form WinForms Demo application. And now click next. Suggested .NET Framework or the installed .NET Framework is 8 on my computer. You will always try to select or work with the newest .NET version. So .NET 8 I am using here. Now click on Create. It will take some time, and when the application is loaded, you will see Form Control. Here we go. A brand new WinForms application. The name of the application is WinForms Demo, and this is our form control that you see here. This application is fully functional. Now click on this green arrow in order to execute or run this application. And so you see our application or our form 1 in the running mode. So now we know how to create WinForms application. In the next lecture, we will talk about this environment. We will talk about the windows we need to have available all the time. For example, Solution Explorer, Toolbox window, and the Properties windows.